Thanks everyone for joining the session. Okay, welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. It's a purely networking company. Okay, it's not a institute guides. It's a purely networking company, and we are a part of Startup India, and we are also part of MSME and recognized by Government of India as well. Okay, and yeah, so we are offering. So requesting everyone, please go on mute. Do not turn on your mic until I will ask you. Okay. Yeah. So we are offering Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto courses. What is Cisco? What is Juniper? What is Palo Alto? You know, you will come to know soon. These are the companies, product-based companies. Okay. So what do you mean by product-based company? They have hardware devices as well as software. If they have software, it's also a product, right? Software is also a product. So if any company is having their own product, it's called product-based companies. All these service-based companies like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Infosys, these service-based companies will work for product-based companies. Okay. So in product-based companies, the salaries are very high. So in service-based, it is very low. Suppose in product for freshers, in product-based companies, they will get minimum 1 lakh rupees. For freshers in service based, they will get 35,000 rupees. Okay. So all service based companies are working for product based. So it's your decision now. You want to get into service based or product based. So freshers now currently situation is not good, right? There are a lot of competition. So even IIT, NIT is also lack of placements now, and also fresher experienced candidates, right? It's a very good opportunity if you have experience in non-technical or technical. So complete this course, learn the things at packet level, and you'll get a job in product-based company. Okay. So these product-based companies will look for the candidates who are having packet level knowledge. Okay. So fine. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh. So I have total 12 plus years of experience now. Okay. So it is 1 year back now 12 years. Okay. So I worked in various companies. So I worked in Cisco professional service team, Nokia, Juniper, Amazon. So I worked in all these product based companies and startup also I worked. So during these 12 years, I worked in so many organizations, like almost 7 organizations. So I worked as a TAC engineer for 5.5 years. So TAC engineer is the highest role in networking domain. So we used to interact with global customers. So I have a lot of practical knowledge. Okay. So I want to deliver all the practical knowledge to you guys. So along with me, my colleague Karthik is also there. He's a Palo Alto TAC engineer and he is having 7 plus years of experience. So I will take care of Cisco and Juniper, and my colleague Karthik will take care of Palo Alto. Okay. Yeah. So you can see, right? This is not a institute. Again, I'm telling this is a industrial training program. Okay. It's a industrial training program with real time projects. So whatever we learn everything at real time, right? The protocols, whatever the syllabus, everything. Why this protocol is using, how exactly this protocol works. In case if any issues comes, how you will troubleshoot, in which environment they develop they implement these protocols. So it is not like a bookish knowledge. It is like a completely I will give you a project and we will learn like that. Okay. So I will give you 8 plus real-time projects minimum. Okay. Yeah, for routing and switching, and we can discuss practically. Now, before going get into the details, okay, how exactly internet works? You should know this because this entire technology is about internet. Okay. So everyone is using internet, right? Everyone. Without internet, you are not able to join this Google Meet as well. Without internet, there is nothing in this world. Every day when you woke up, you will check your WhatsApp message or Instagram message or whatever it is, right? Without internet, there is nothing. So the technology is very familiar. Okay. Whatever you're using regularly and every day, right? Same technology we are going to learn. Have you think any, do you have a question like how exactly internet works? Okay. So if I type www.google.com on your browser, what is happening at the back end? So have you got this kind of question? Did you think about like, did you think about internet like this? So now if you don't think like that, right, start thinking how exactly it works. Okay. So I will tell you the overview, high level overview. Okay. So high level overview. Okay, so high level overview of how exactly internet works. As you know, everyone take broadband connections. Yes or no? Through Wi-Fi, we will connect our phones or laptops. Now, Wi-Fi device get a connection from your ISP, whether Airtel or Geo or broadband like Beam, Hathway or whatever. Okay, so from these ISPs will connect it to internet. How? So these ISPs are connected to the internet. I will show you how exactly it is connecting. This is the one way we will get internet connection. This is user perspective. And other one is mobile phone. Through mobile phone we have an antenna, right? This is a cell tower, the carrier, 4G 5G carrier. Okay, cellular, you can say. Through cellular you can access the internet, either 4G or 5G. Okay, so the so from every tower, right, at the bottom you will see one box, one small room. In that room there is a routers and switches. Those are the networking devices. Once you complete the course on this, once you complete a course on CCNA, right, you will be work on all the routers and switches. Okay, so I will show you in the next slide. Just understand, from tower to tower, the cable is laid under the ocean. Okay, not ocean, sorry, through ground. Okay, so over the ground, not over the ground, under the ground they lay the cables, and from tower to tower they have a connection. Okay, fine, this is one way. And what is the another way we can get the internet? Can anyone tell me? If anyone knows, is there any another way we can get internet connection?
Through
Satellite.
satellite.
Yeah, satellite,
Satellite.
right? Yeah, very good. So satellite. Okay, so this is satellite. Same like how we are getting TV channels, right? Airtel DTH or Sun Direct. There is a antenna top of our floor. From there to our modem, right? We will have a connection, right? Similarly, we have a satellite antenna. You will get incoming connections, incoming traffic here. From here to it will get a modem. There is a modem, Wi-Fi modem. From this Wi-Fi modem to we will get a Wi-Fi. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. This is one thing. Okay. Yeah. Now see. Now, how exactly internet works? Continuation. So these are the three ways. Okay. And now when you upload any file in Instagram, or when you upload any video on YouTube, generally everyone is using Instagram, right? You may upload images, right? Or else you may upload or download any files, right? If you want to send your resume to someone, you will attach your file over Gmail and send it out, right? How exactly it works? Okay, see, now you have internet connection through Wi-Fi or mobile phone. Consider this a mobile phone. Okay, you open Instagram application and uploading a photo. The photo is a data. So first the data will come on router. First the data will hit to this router. From this router we will get a internet connection, right? ISP, whether it is a broadband like Airtel, Jio, and Hathway. There are a lot of ISPs. In Karnool we have a DVR broadband, right? So you will take a broadband connection. These ISPs will connect to here. Now this is ISP, right? This Airtel till the data center. The Instagram server is located in somewhere else. Okay, the Instagram server is located in somewhere else. Okay, so you can say in Texas or somewhere else, other continents, not only India, somewhere else. Suppose you can consider the Instagram server is located in Mumbai. Now we are sitting at your location Hyderabad, I'm sitting at Karnool now. So from your location to the Mumbai where the server is located in data center, the data center is Instagram data center is located in Mumbai. There you will see lot of servers. Now from your location to the server, right, at every 30 to 40 kilometers you will see router. So what is mean by router? It is not a router what you are exactly using at your home. Your home router, the cost is just 1500 to 2000 rupees, but the router which they used in real time is minimum 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so who will work on those routers? We are the network engineers. We will configure those routers. Okay, so from your home to the data center at every 30 to 40 kilometers, they install routers. Between routers to routers there's a optical fiber cable. So the data we are transferring, the data will transferring through optical cable is a laser. Everyone play with laser, right? So the data will go in the form of light. What is the light speed? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That much of speed we can send. Okay. Currently, we have a light speed, but we don't have such a hardware devices to support that light speed. Okay. Just an example. 10 years back, we have only 3G. We don't have such kind of hardware. Now, the processor, mobile processor also, Snapdragon, 8 Gen, Elite. There are a lot of processor they are, manufacturing like Intel also, i7, i5, i7, i9, right? So the hardware is, they're developing the hardware to process the things very fastly and to accept the data at high speed. Okay. So 10 years back we have 3G and now we have 5G. So now we developed the hardware to support this much of speed. Okay. Now after 10 years, just imagine after 10 years, you cannot even imagine the internet is in our hands. You can control everything with your hands, in your hands. Your home fan, route, whatever the electronic equipment you can install in your home, right? Home appliances, everything you will control by your phone. That is called IoT. So internet is evolving like that. Okay. So now the thing is, if you see, right, till Instagram data center to your home, right, every 30 to 40 kilometers there is a router. The routers are connected to fiber cable. Now the photo is traveling here, router to router, and it will store in data center. This is a high level overview. Okay. So the data centers are located to one location to another location. Now in India, we have a lot of data centers. Okay. So the, how the countries connected each other. How exactly we're getting internet connection? The countries are countries connected to each other. I will show you next slide. So this is a high level overview. Okay. Now I want to show you real data center image. Now, if you see, right, this is a data center image, and whatever you see, right, this is the storage servers. If you see, right, these are the hard disks. These are the 5 TB, 10 TB, 1 petabyte hard disk also. Okay. So if you see, right, these are the hard disks. Whatever the images you are uploading in Instagram server, everything is uploading in this hard disk. Okay. So here you will see lot of racks here. In these racks, you will see a lot of servers, storage servers. All the user data will store here. And now, if you want to access your Instagram application, you need internet, right? So all these servers are connected to the networking devices, routers and switches. I told you, right? Here, this server is connected to the router, right? Similarly, the physical backend, at the backend, this physical server is connected to the router and switch. So who will maintain and router and switches? We are the network engineers. But you should understand what are the things involved in internet. Okay. This is a data center which looks like this. And these are the bunch of racks. In the tracks, you will see bunch of servers. All the servers are connected to the routers and switches. Okay. Whatever you're uploading, right? Everything is storing here. Sorry. Now you can see, right? This is a Google data center. See how big it is, right? So here bunch of servers are there. If you see this yellow color cable, right? Here LAN cable. These are connected to the routers. Here you will see, right? This is a top of rack device. You can see these are the routers and switches. You can see these are the routers. These all servers are connected to this top of that router. I told you right here. This server is connected to router. This is just diagram, but this is real picture where exactly the server is connected. Are you seeing it here? This yellow cable from server is connected to the device. Are you seeing any device here? Yes or no? Guys, I'm asking to you,
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah. So these all servers are connecting to this device, networking device. Like that, every 30, 40 kilometers, we have a devices till our home. So now the Airtel is already expanded geographically across the India. So in Airtel having a biggest service provider each and every location. So Airtel using thousands of routers, thousands of devices. Okay. So at every 30 to 40 kilometers, if you see the towers, right, mobile towers. So bottom of the tower, right, you will see one room. In that room, you will see the router. Like, towers are there, right? In Hyderabad location also, at every few kilometers, there is a tower. Okay. At every tower, you know, you will see one room there, you will see the router. From that router to another tower router, they will connect through fiber cable through underground. Okay. Yeah. So now recently T20 World Cup was held in USA, and after that, we are watching IPL matches, right? Generally, so live IPL matches. You're sitting at your home, you're watching everything. So whatever it is going on in entire world, right? We are watching on live. How exactly it is happening? So the T20 World Cup is held in USA. Whatever it is going on USA, right? We are watching on live. How exactly it is happening? Because each and every country to country, they have connected through cables. So what cables? Fiber cables. These are the fiber cables. These are the ocean fiber cables. Very big. Okay. If you see, right, this is a persons. They will lay the cable under ocean, and they will connect the cables between the countries, like how we are connecting the cables between the routers to routers, right? Similarly, country to country, they will connect the cables. That's how the entire data, the entire internet, the backbone, everything working through cables. Since we are, so whatever the cables you are seeing on the if you see any, if you go on any outside, right, on the poles, current poles, you will see the black color cables. Those black color cables are fiber cables, not a current wires. Okay. You will see the enclosures. If you go Amirpet or somewhere else, right, you will see bunch of black color cables. Okay. Those are fiber cables. If you see orange color cables also. Okay. So those are fiber cables. Okay na. So here, these are the cores made with glass. Okay, in this cores only the data is traveling in the form of wavelengths. Okay, anyhow, it is the data is going in the form of light here. To protect this course, this is cladding. You may learn this about about this core and cladding about fiber in intermediate as well as BTech or degree in physics. Okay, if you see, right, this is cladding, to protect your cores. See, there are a lot of big fishes in ocean, right? Sharks and all. To protect from shark bites, so they manufacture the cable with height high density, like very strong. Okay, this is a fiber cable. Now in India, how many places India is connected with other countries? There are 5 places. One is Mumbai, another one is Cochin, another one is Trivandrum, Tuticorin, and Chennai. Do you know, in the year of 2016, Reliance, Ambani, he gave free internet services for 2 years. Why? Because he has his own cable. He has his own cable from Mumbai to other countries. So he no need to purchase anything. Purchasing a service is very cost. If he has his own cable, right, the strategy is he gave free services for 2 years. After that, he started rising it. Okay, that's a business strategy. But he has its own cable now. From Chennai to Malaysia, other countries, he's laying the cables. He want to expand his geo services to other countries as well. Okay, now Tata Communications, CP Technologies, Airtel, Geo, BSNL, these are the biggest service providers in India, but they will take a input from these IXPs. So we call these are internet exchange points, tier 1 IXPs. So these all are internet exchange points. It's like a supermarket. All the general store people will go to the supermarket. They will buy everything wholesale, and they will sell at general stores, right, with higher prices. Same way, whatever the broadband connection, Hathway or Beam or local broadband connections, right? They will purchase the input connection from these service providers, tier 1 service providers, and they will give internet to us. They're charging very high from us. Okay, this is a background process. So India is connected to the 5 places, connected at 5 places. Mumbai, it is connected to the Pakistan, other countries, and Kochi here, Trivandrum, it is going to Maldives, Tuticorin, it is going to Sri Lanka, Chennai to Malaysia and other countries. Okay, yeah, these are the 5 places where exactly India is connected. Which cables? Through under ocean cables, through these cables. Okay, through these cables. Okay, we have a special mechanism to lay these cables as well. Okay, now every signal will have a expiry, right? Suppose the fiber cable, right? I told you every 30 kilometers they will install router. Why? Because the signal is losing at 30 kilometers. They will install a device. That device will boost the signal. So in real time, You will install every 100 kilometers, you will install a WDM devices. Whatever you see here, right? These are the WDM devices, optical devices. So country to country, it is a huge kilometers, right? Something like this. From Mumbai to Chennai, suppose there is 1,000 kilometers. So the fiber signal, you lay the fiber, but the signal, if you send a signal right inside the fiber, it cannot travel for 1,000 kilometers. It has a expiry. After 100 kilometers, the signal will lose. So to boost that signal at every 100 kilometers, we use WDM devices. Now they manufacture the WDM devices to transmit the signal up to 500 kilometers, up to 500 kilometers also. 500 to 1,000 kilometers. Okay. Yeah. So these are the WDM devices which can boost the signals, laser signals. Okay. Just I'm explaining you the back end of internet. Okay. Now I told you, right, these are the routers. At every 30 kilometers you will see routers. Okay. Until uh, till the data center. So those routers are looks like this. These are all Cisco routers. So you can see, right, this router cost is 2 lakh rupees, and you can see this is the biggest router. These are more than 1 crore rupees. So all the entire data center will work here, they will connect this server. So suppose SBI banking servers or phone pay server, phone pay or GPay is a server. That servers are connecting to these devices. In case if anything happened to these devices, you cannot do phone pay because it is in downtime. You can see, right, sometimes if you do phone pay, you will see your payment banking system is down or something like that. So there may be a maintenance, something like that. So all the servers are connected to the server routers and switches. Okay. Now who will maintain all these things? We are the persons. We are the network engineers who maintain all these network routers. In these hardware devices, you should configure the routing protocols. See, it's a hardware, right? You should have a hardware knowledge also. I am giving here hardware training. What are those devices? What are the components in this device? No one will give you. Any institute cannot, any institute you can go. They will never give you a hardware product training. This is industrial training, right? I am giving it. Okay. And what are the protocols we are learning, right? Whatever the protocols you configure here, it's a routing protocols. I will teach you at packet level. Okay. So as a fresher, you will not get access to log in these devices because it's a very critical devices. After having some experience, they will allow you to log in these devices. Okay. Anyhow, you will have access for in some organizations. Okay. Now these are the switches. All these switches are connected to the routers. Okay. If you see, right, in any company, Infosys or TCS, there in each every floor there are 40 to 50 members. For each everyone, we need to give a laptop or computer, right? So all the computers in the floor, right, they are connecting to these switches. Okay, these are the switches, layer 2 devices. So once you become a network engineer, after completion of this course, if you get a job, right, you will work on these devices, routers and switches. Okay, and firewalls also. So these are the hardware devices. We will configure a lot of protocol inside these devices. You cannot travel anywhere if you're experienced candidate, right, or fresher also. You can log in these devices remotely. You can do it. For some freshers, you have to travel, but you will have an opportunity to look into these devices. We have all kind of jobs in this profession. Okay. Now these are the switches. See, these are the routers, big routers. These are the firewalls. Once you completion of this internship, you will become a, you will work on these devices. Okay. Yeah, these all are routers. So now why networking? Because we need internet, right? We need internet. So to provide internet connection 24 into 7, 365 days, we need network engineers. Okay. So you woke up at 3 a.m. Okay. You will start watching Instagram or something. Okay. So 24 into 7, we need internet, right? So who will provide that backend? Who will work on it? We are the network engineers. Now tell me, recession can hit to the network engineers? No, because without internet, there is nothing in this world. So the recession or will not impact on this domain because they need us. Hospitals, military people, government organizations, wherever you go, they need internet. They need us. Okay, that's why we have a huge opening. Recently, Microsoft is cutting 6,000 employees. They're giving layoffs for development team. So software engineers are developers, right? So now AI is doing coding, everything. AI is doing everything, writing a code and doing a test cases and everything it is doing. Now they are affecting. But if any cable down, right, the AI cannot go here and plug the cable, right? Yes or no? AI can do that. We need a human to do that. Okay, we need a human. What kind of protocols we need to do? What kind of troubleshooting we need to do? Okay, so when once they hire you, right, everything is already configured. They hired you to troubleshoot the network issues. That's it. Okay, 80% of the projects they hired you to troubleshoot the issues only, which is already been configured. Okay, now understood, right, why networking is required? Because we need to support internet. Yeah, so you have to be proud, man, because this domain is like, nothing is impacted. And moreover, whatever you are doing regularly, right, internet, you are surfing internet, right, you are working behind that, everything. So even cyber security guys also, they join here to learn the things packet level. They have to understand how internet works. Okay, yeah. So this is the thing. So networking is very important. Now the devices, right, these are the routers and switches. So simply mobile phones, who will manufacture the mobile phones? Apple, Samsung, OnePlus. Like, we have lot of vendors, lot of manufacturers we have. Similarly, to manufacture these routers, we have a companies. Cisco, Juniper, Huawei. There are hell lot of companies. That's why in this networking domain, you will get a job easily in product-based company. But software engineer cannot get. He can get it, but he need time. But for us, we have a bunch of options, bunch of opportunities to get a job in product-based company, because we have so many products here. Like Cisco company, we have a level of certifications: entry level, professional level, expert level. Juniper, we have certifications. Huawei, Nokia. Do you think Nokia is the only manufacturer those Dabba phones? No, it is a big thing. Nokia is a big thing. That manufacturing those small Dabba phones is just 1% only from Nokia. Nokia is dealing with so many stuff. Okay, so Huawei and Palo Alto is the number one security device. Okay, in networking, because Palo Alto can support, you know cyber security stuff as well as security. So someone, hackers can can enter into your organization to protect that. So we need security. Okay, so for Palo Alto security, we have a separate domain, separate demo also. Will conduct when the course will start, right? This is combination of all only. Okay, when the course is started, my colleague Karthik will take care of one more session. Okay, no problem. So these are the companies. Okay, so once you learn this internship, right, so what kind of job roles you will get? This is what you're looking, right? What kind of designations you will get? See, network engineer is a role. Network engineer is a role in data center. You will work like this. And this is me. I worked in data center in the year of 2016. So this is me in the year of 2016, almost 9 years back. Okay, I got an opportunity to work with all servers, routers, big devices. Okay, yeah. So now network analyst in any small organization or medium organization, there are bunch of routers and switches. You need to analyze the issues, create a reports and all. You need to take care of your company network. There is a network analyst, another role. Another one is NOC engineer. This is very common role for freshers. Okay, in data center, you will see lot of devices. Can you please tell me currently, I worked in Amazon, right? We have Amazon data center. So can anyone guess how many routers or switches in one Amazon data center? Can anyone guess?
Thousand maybe, sir.
Thousands.
Thousand. Give me one rough figure.
Lakhs. One lakh plus.
Okay. Yeah.
1 lakhs
Yeah. 1 lakh.
plus.
Yeah. Close. So here we have more than 96,000 devices. So those many for one data center, I'm telling. So how those many devices, who will monitor if anything happened to those devices? If any protocol went down in those devices, how to identify? So we have a monitoring tool like the big screen here. So if any router or any networking devices goes down, you know we can work on. We can, you will
Sorry,
you will You will
Sir, is there,
continuously. Sorry, what is that? Hello?
sir, is there any education, specific education? Is there specific education qualification this job?
Your voice is breaking.
He is asking, is there any
ఈ
specific
జాబ్ కి
qualifications?
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఏమైనా ఉందా సార్ అంటున్నా.
అది ఇంకా నేను చెప్తాను భయ్యా. You have to wait it na. I haven't completed the demo. Please wait it. I am explaining.
ఓకే
I will cover each
ఓకే
and everything.
థ్యాంక్
Don't worry. Okay. So please be patient for at least
యూ.
30 minutes more from now. Okay. So this is because this is about your career, right? So I want to explain each and everything. I want to cover each and everything. Then you have to decide it. Okay. I don't want to teach you only bombada things like
ఓకే
we are giving job opportunities. So I don't want to do that. I am the very honest person. I want to explain each and everything honestly, transparently, and you can decide it. So wait for, that's why it is more than 1 hour. Okay. So 1 hour only the session. I will complete it soon.
ఓకే
Just
ఓకే
wait it. Okay. Yeah. Now see, this is a knock role. That's why I'm explaining each and every job role as well. This is a knock role. So to monitor those devices, if anything happened to those devices, you will get an alert here. Based on that, you will work on it. Okay. Knock engineer is a entry level job for 1 year, 2 years. Okay. So if you be in knock, right, you will not get much knowledge. Okay, work for 1 or 2 years and move it in a implementation team. Okay. Yeah. Now L1 network engineer, in normally any company they will take you as an L1 network engineer. They won't give you to log in the devices. However, they will give you console access to do basic stuff. Okay. These are one of the role. And another one is network administrator in hospitals, in big 7-star 5-star hotels. So those, there are a lot of devices. Network administrator will maintain each and everything which is belongs to networking. Okay. Yeah, this is a network administrator role. And network engineering service provider, guys, if you get this role in service provider environment, kindly join. Okay, very important, because you will learn a lot in service provider. Okay. Yeah, these are one more role. And now TAC engineer. So TAC engineer is the highest role in networking domain. The TAC engineer role you will get in only in product based companies. So if you buy a iPhone, if anything happened to iPhone, you will go to the customer support, right? Yes or no? Similarly, here also,
Yes sir, yes sir.
yeah, similarly, lot of customers are buying this Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto, lot of devices, lot of vendors here. These devices they will purchase. If by spending crores of rupees, if anything happened to this device, hardware level or protocol level inside, who will call, who will they will call to home? They will call to TAC engineer. Each and every company have their own TAC engineer. TAC engineer is the expert at hardware level and protocol level. So if you work at TAC level, right, you will have an opportunity to interact with so many customers. Then you will get a good command on the skill. Okay. So since I worked as a TAC engineer for 5.5 years, and so yeah, I have a good exposure in networking. Okay. So you will give a good pay scale and good exposure in technology also. But TAC is a hectic role, pressure, very high pressure, you will see. But at least you work for 3 to 4 years, then you will learn a lot of things, then you can relax. Okay. Yeah. So these are UTMs and firewalls, you can say. Palo Alto, Barracuda, Sophos, Checkpoint. So out of this, Palo Alto is the number one vendor in security. You can search it in Google. So if you see, right, see here. So if you search here, right, where are the, yeah, this is it. So Udemy, oh, this is not found now. Okay, 1 second. If you see this, right, so if you see Udemy top 100 skills, if you see, right, Palo Alto is the number 4 skill. Okay. Palo Alto is the number 4. 1 second. Where is it? Yeah, this is the one, Udemy one. Yeah. You can search it in Google also. Which vendor is the top, you can see, right? So top 100 fastest growing skills for 2025. Okay. So if you see right, number 4, you will see Palo Alto. Okay. So this is an industrial training, guys. Whatever currently in demand in networking domain. So those demand courses we combine here and we, called as a internship. Okay. So if you see right, Cisco Packet Tracer also you will see here at 7 somewhere else here. Cisco Packet Tracer and lot of things, root cause analysis, networking skills are lot of skills are here. But you can see Palo Alto security is top 4, very important because it supports cyber security as well, cyber security features. Okay. Yeah. So that is the one thing. And so what is cloud network engineer? If you work at any cloud platform, right, as a network engineer, you call cloud network engineer. So these are the big devices. See, ASR 9Ks, 903s. I worked in the year of 2016. Okay. Now this is a Amazon data center pick, which I have taken long back. Now, let me explain about me. Okay. I worked as a network engineer, as a field engineer. If you see, right, this kind of racks you will see at a lot of offices, LAC offices, SBI offices, government offices, and a lot of offices, you will see this kind of racks. This is a router, small router. This is a switch. I used to go there and configure and install and, make sure that organization should get internet connection. So I worked here for 2 years. Then I moved to service provider. I worked on WM devices, CSR 920s, 9Ks, 903s. So I got a great exposure. So I worked here for four years. So I'm telling you, I did a MTech as well, but I did a field job. Nowadays, people are doing degree or BTech also. They are only looking for office jobs. Guys, wake up. Just see one video. If you go any walk-in interview, right? Lot of people are fighting for one position. So in networking domain, what we are doing, we are giving packet level skills and we are referring to the clients. I will come to that. So what I'm saying is I'm telling about me by showing the pictures, because now I'm a succeeded person, right? If you want to succeeded in your life also, the first step is always hard. Work at field, get a practical exposure and move to here. So Infosys is my dream company. After seeing those big buildings, right? I was fall in love with these big buildings. Oh my God, such a big buildings. So many girls, so many boys, so many, what is that? What we call posh culture and all. I also think the same thing. But before that, I'm a very much passionate guy in networking. So Infosys is my dream company. I joined in Infosys. I just there for 7 months. I didn't like it. So I gave an interview and joined Infosys. Again in service-based company, you need to give an interview internally to get a clients. Again, you need to give an interview. I give so many interviews, but nothing is related to networking. Okay. Finally, I accepted one project and I worked for 3 months and I left it. I realized it early, very early. That is one of the good decision in my life. Okay. After joining in Infosys, I come to know that only Saturday, Sunday, there is a parties and, DJs and all only there. So I have seen that for 4 months. Then after that, I realized that. So where is the technology where I need to work? So I'm able to forget each and every, I was able to forget all my skills. Now I decided this is not a good here. If I be here, then I cannot survive in my life. So I decided and I gave interviews and I got a call in Juniper. I cracked the Juniper. I don't know there is a Juniper product also is there. I was not aware of it. Once I joined the Juniper, before joining Juniper, I have a 4.5 years of experience and I was able to configure OSPF, BGP, troubleshoot everything, but I don't know the packet level knowledge. Once I joined in a product based company as a tech engineer, I learned everything at packet level. From there, I moved to Nokia. From there, I moved to Amazon. Now I'm working in a big organization. Okay. So here my salary is 8,000 rupees per month after deductions. After PF and all, I was getting only 8,000 rupees per month. Now I'm just paying 75,000 rupees income tax per month. Just imagine. This is a real success, right? Yes or no? So that's why I'm putting everything in front of you guys. Okay, success will not come slowly, step by step. It took me almost 10 years, but I trained a lot of candidates. I know a lot of things now. So to reach 6 lakh rupees per annum, right? For me, it took almost 4.5 years. But now within 2 years, my candidates are getting. Within 3 years, they're getting 14 LPA because I'm training like that. I was giving training like that. If you have the packet level knowledge, right, you will get huge packages. This is only, I'm going to tell you my package as well. My package is 40 LPA. That is only for fixed. Okay. So if you imagine, right? If you imagine everyone in Microsoft, Google, they are getting 2 crore rupees package, 3 crore rupees package. The intention is they will not give you all the amount to you guys. Okay. So out of 2 crore package, only 30 lakhs will be fixed. Remaining will be shares, company shares. They will give, every year based. You need to serve in that company for 4 years. So they will give, every year they will release some shares and you need to sell it and you get the amount. Okay. That is a back end process. Okay. Yeah. So this is it, guys. This is about my life and you can decide it how you want to go. Okay. So software engineers can work at home or offices, but network engineers, they will have a lot of opportunities. They will have at field, they will at home, work from home. All kind of jobs are available. It is up to you. But if you get an opportunity, whatever it is, especially for freshers, if you get an opportunity, just join, because you have to, remove that fresher keyword from your life, because if you're a fresher outside, there is no opportunities. But my company will give you a fresher opportunities for the freshers. you know no institute is giving training at packet level. Since we have started giving it, it has been 7 months. Almost 60 plus candidates got selected, only freshers. During these 7 months, almost 60 plus candidates. We just posted yesterday in LinkedIn as well. Okay. And experienced guys are very, many more. Experienced candidates are many more. Lot of people got 150% hike also. I will show you now. Okay. Yeah. So this is the packages, guys. I explain about my package right now. Here, as a fresher, you'll get minimum 2.5 lakh rupees. So last week also there are 8 members got selected. Last week only from my company. Okay, they got 2.34, I guess. Yeah, minimum you will get 2.5. Okay, so at mid level you will get 8 lakhs, but senior level you will get 2 lakhs. But if you see, right, I have 10 plus years of experience. I'm getting 40 LPA. So I got a call from Google as well 1 year back. They are offering 97 lakh rupees, but the Google interview process is very very slow. Meanwhile, I got a job offer letter in for another company and I joined. Okay, you got it right what I'm saying. There is no barrier for the package. Skill does matter. Okay. Now here I'm giving CCNA training. Cisco, you see right here in website. If you go here, go to Cisco, these are the skills I'm teaching, everything at packet level. Okay. These all protocols I'm teaching here. So in CCNA, the BGP is not part of CCNA, but BGP protocol is very important. I am adding here. That's why it is not an institute, it is an industrial program. Whatever the companies are looking for the candidates, right? The knowledge on protocols, I'm giving all the training here with real-time exposures. Okay. Yeah. This is a CCNA and Juniper. This is a syllabus. But guys, so you have to do one certification, right? So for the freshers to do a certification, it's a big deal. Okay. For CCNA, only examination of CCNA is 33,000. Okay. So if you fail it, the pass marks is 820 out of 1,000. You will have multiple choice questions. You have to do lab also. So even though you know the knowledge, the questions are very tricky. Even if you fail it, right, you will lost entire 33,000. That's why ground level reality is they are giving 8,000 rupees to pass the exam to the institutions, whoever is conducting the exam. I don't encourage that. Here it is not a certification way. If you learn the training here, right, CCNA, it is beyond the certification. So it's just a name. CCNA is just a name, but I am teaching everything at CCIE level, top level. For examination point of view, it is completely different. You need to prepare dumps. You need to prepare dumps. You need to practice it. Then only you will pass the exam. This is, after completion of this training, you will get 10 years of experience candidates, right? Whatever the knowledge they have, that kind of knowledge I'm giving here. After 2 months of training, you will be like as a 10 years experienced guy. I promise you, because I will teach like that. Okay. Now Juniper, right? Juniper, I worked in Juniper, so I will teach you everything at packet level. And the Juniper certification fees 22,000 rupees. Okay. So, but if you pass, I will put a exam. If you pass that voucher exam, the examination fee is just 5,000 rupees, and you can write the exam at your home only. All come to my office and you can write it. Okay. So if you have to write the exam by your own. If you write by your own, the satisfaction levels are next level, right? So I will encourage only the honesty things. Okay. So there is a certification guarantee here. If you fail the exam, my company will pay the amount. Okay. And for you, if you fail it, I'm giving guarantee, because there are 86 plus candidates so far gave the examination, and all are passed. So I will allow them once they completed my training only. Outside people, I will not allow them. Okay. So only people who are completed training here, I will allow them to write an exam. Okay. Now Palo Alto, Palo Alto is a security device. So all these courses we are combining and giving as internship. And additionally, I'm giving a guarantee for the certification, and you'll get a 15,000 rupees discount for the certification. Now, if you go to the Naukari, right? CCNA is which is equal to Juniper. Okay, just type JNCIA here and search for the jobs. This is a Naukari job portal. See, he's asking JNCIA or CCNP certification required. Networking consultant. See, Bell Technologics something. Okay, they're asking CCNP or JNCIA. Okay, here they're asking JNCIA as well. Okay, see, if you know JNCIA, so that is guys. So why JNCIA? Because in your home also, for electronic device, you cannot use TVs LG, and refrigerator is LG, mix is LG, right? You cannot use same brand, right? Based on the performance, based on the quality, you will purchase the brand. Same here also. Routers are good, enterprise network, they will purchase Cisco devices. For service provider, they will purchase Juniper devices. Okay, whatever the concepts here, right? All the concepts are same for each and every vendor. Nothing is different. All the concepts. It's like Google Chrome. Google Chrome is same in app iPhone. Google Chrome is same in Android phone, right? Same way. These concepts are same, but the vendor is different. Okay. So Juniper is widely using in service provider, and Palo Alto is everywhere. They're using it everywhere, especially in enterprise network to secure their company. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now this is a certification. Once you pass the exam, the certificate looks like this. Okay. And we are at the end now. Okay. So this is a see, these are the candidates who passed the exam recently. And now we will have a night shifts. That is unexpected. Okay. We have a night shifts, and if you see right here, uh, these are the candidates who passed, who got job recently. Go to home, go to my home, web home, you will see so many candidates. Okay, all these candidates got selected, and we didn't update it also. I think last week 7 plus candidates are they got selected, we didn't update it. You can see it in YouTube channel. Okay, so there are 60 plus candidates we didn't upload it all, because some people they're agreed to upload their photo here, they some people not agreed, right? That's why we didn't. Okay, but we have a success stories for each and every person. You can check it in YouTube channel as well. And now eligibility, any degree. So any degree, BTech, any degree, BTech degree, diploma, any degree is important to get a job. Okay, generally degree is a entry ticket. But if you are a CSE ECE candidates, right, especially ECE, it's a core subject for you. Core in the sense, at least 45% of subjects you will see for ECE candidates. CSE also, and other domain. So these guys are civil, this guy is civil, mechanical, lot of people, this guy is civil actually. Okay, lot of people crack the job, sorry, crack the job. And the thing is, recently degree who took history economics, right, that guy got the job. I think he's not here. That guy got the job. So this guy Narendra Pura, he's a degree 2021 passed out. Sai, this name is Narendra. Guys, please understand, career gap doesn't matter. People who passed out 2021, right? Okay, they are giving, you know people who passed out 2021, 2017, they got the job. Okay, so career gap doesn't matter here, skill does matter. Recently, right, we are teaching everything at packet level. For the first time, clients are coming to my location. you know I told them, hey, my institution is very small, 200 square feet office, so there is no proper things to take interviews. They said, no, no problem, we can sit at the ground floor also, no worries. We need a skillful candidates. You know why they got to about us? They got to know about us. My students attending the interviews in their companies, based on my students' answer, they are they are like they're shocking actually. How you know all these things at packet level as a fresher? So they are asking my company where you learn. That's how they come to know about us. That's how the recently three clients are visited to my office. So recently STPL company also came. So though that company is looking for intermediate candidates also. People whoever is past intermediate, they will also they are taking. Okay, so yeah, it's up to you guys. Everything is transparent. Okay, for freshers, it's you have to get a job quickly, and for experienced candidates, do not worry, I will give you training. After 1 month of training, I will give you real time projects, and I will give you training like you will work on complex environment so that you'll get a good package. If you see here, right, so a lot of people got, so she's a experienced person, she got 150% hike. Recently, she's also got 110% hike. These guys, lot of people, experienced candidates, minimum they're getting 110% hike. Okay, so yeah, because that kind of knowledge I'm giving. Okay, and one more thing is, for experienced candidates, I am recommended them to take internship as well as CCNP advanced level. Okay, and freshers just take an internship. That's it. Eligibility criteria: any degree. Now, one of the client is looking for intermediate also. For eligibility criteria, it is clear, right? Any degree, and career gap doesn't matter. Educational gap doesn't matter. And for intermediate also, we are accepting. This is for qualification. And which course I would like to take. So for experienced persons in technical, for experienced person in networking technical, they they will take this internship as well as CCNP, and it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. I'm recommending you to take this because if CCNP, I will cover MPLS and a lot of topics. If you have this kind of complex technologies in your resume, right, they will take you and they will give you in you will easily get a job in product based companies and good packages. Skill does matter here to get a good packages and good companies. Okay, yeah, also I'm providing certification also, right? Only you need to pay certification cost 5,000 rupees, that's it. Remaining we will take care of it. Okay, so for non-technical people, just take an internship and real-time project. So these real-time projects, you who is going to take real-time projects? Real-time project is like when you join any company, what kind of tickets you will get, what is the process inside it, what kind of tools you use, ticketing tools, monitoring tools, how to interact with the team. So this is called real time project. Technically I already explained during the classes, but this is a process thing. If you get a P1 P2 tickets, how to handle it, different kind of issues. For experienced candidates only, no, they have to take real time project. Freshers is not required. Okay, even experienced candidates, technical people, they know already the process and all the things. It's okay, no need to take. But non-technical people, they don't know anything, they must take this. Okay, yeah. And the fee structure and everything will be, you can find it here and contact my team. I'm not the person who is discussing about fee structure. I'm the technical head here. Contact my manager Vamshi and Varshini or Chaitanya, your technical representatives. Okay? Yeah. And everything is online here. If you want to register or if you want to take any course, right? These are the courses. Add your bag and proceed for payment. That's it. Simple. Everything is transparent here. Everything we mentioned here. So also, if you think that the prices are very low or high or whatever it is, so whatever I'm telling, right, please check in other institutions as well. The packet level training and all. Some people say some of the institution is just taking 5,000 rupees and they are teaching all. So they're just reading the PPTs, guys. They're reading the PPTs and they're not just giving the small things only. Okay. If you want such kind of knowledge, no problem. Okay. Here it is. I'm very much passionate, and you know what? Once you join this company, it is a company, right? Once you enroll this course, until you get a job, we will provide you placements. We have a separate placements team. Placement officer is there. So for freshers, after joining CCNA, right, after completion of CCNA, we'll start referring you. That's why people are getting within 25 days, 30 days, they're getting a jobs. Okay. So for experienced candidates, we will also give you training, and after that we'll prepare your resume in a complexly environment you work. So we will prepare a resume in such a way that like you worked in a complex environment, and then we will take an internal interview for freshers and experience. For everyone, this is a purely company, right? We will take internal interviews first. We are giving free communication skills training to each and everyone whoever has taking internship. Okay, so we are providing free communication skills because communication skills are very important. That communication skills is not about English. They will teach you how to write an email. They will teach you how to talk to your manager, how to behave. It's a personality development skills as well, both. So my company, so she has 7+ years of experience. She's a senior HR in TCS. She will take care of it. Okay. So each and everything job perspective, we will take care of it. Okay. Once you completion of this course, okay, we will take internal interviews. First interview will be communication round. Second interview will be technical round, which is taken by my team for freshers. For experienced candidates, there are 3 rounds. Okay. So first interview will taken care by my HR. Second will be my team. First round, third round, I will take care of it. Okay. So we will tune you, like if you attend any interview, you should crack it. Okay. For freshers, we were giving job opportunities, not 100% job guarantee. No one will give you guarantee. If you're not learning well, how can we give guarantee? It is depends on you only completely. We will give guarantee on skills. We will deliver the skills at high level. Okay. Okay. Are you listening to me, guys? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Yeah, right.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we are giving the skills at high level. Yeah, we are giving the skills at high level, and you need to prove it. So how what is the preparation for freshers? Whatever it is, experienced candidates also. For freshers especially, I would recommend to come to office. Okay, office you have to visit it once the class is completed, right? You can come to office and start preparing it. We have a live devices. We have bunch of devices, live devices at the office. You can come and practice it. Once you learn it, right? Once you done the lab, start telling in on the board. Go you have to take a what is that? Pen, not pen, what is that? You need to write everything on board and explain to my team, so they will start giving practice as well. So everything at packet level. So we are training, like so we are taking care of it, guys, generally, because you have a lot of dreams. That's why, to achieve your dreams, you join here. Everyone need a job in a good company, good package, everything. So you have something like you to achieve. So my company policy is to take care of you once you join here, right? So to fulfill your dream is my dream. My dream in this is my company dream. That level we work very hard, like providing, see, free placement services, guys, until you get a job. It's up to you which company you want to join. The thing is, we are giving job opportunities. We will refer you. We'll take internal interview. Once you qualify internal interview, we will refer you accordingly, right? We cannot blindly refer you. If you don't have skills, right, the company will reject it. Okay. Initially we referred a lot of candidates. Those candidates are technically very good, but communication wise very bad. I got this feedback from client. That's why we are giving free communications training to everyone. So whatever it requires, industries requires, we are giving that training, and we are providing jobs technically, professionally, and everything. Okay. We are creating a big community. So lab assistants, right? People who are willing to go office, go there. My team will explain you. For people who are taking online, right, no problem, my team is there here. So this is a troubleshooting group. Here you need to post it. I will assign my team to you, each and every person. Okay. For every day they will follow up with you, and you can contact them. And recently May 8th batch is started, right? So I'm uploading here. See, if you see April batch also, here, every time we do lab, so candidates they will do labs and they will post here like this. See, they will post here. So they will do real time labs like this, and they will post here. In case if they have any questions, my team will help them. Okay, they will immediately send a meeting link, and they will help them. So we will assist you during the morning 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Out of that, also online candidates will also call us. For US candidates especially, we have night shift candidates also. They will assist actually. Okay, in US time zone as well. Okay, so yeah, but we cannot reveal the we cannot give the contact for US team contact. We cannot give it to you because for day shift is separate and US shift is separate. Okay, so the thing is the services we are giving here is like, we want to give a job opportunity to the candidates. You need to prove it. Eligibility criteria, I already told you. For what kind of jobs, career gap, education gap, I told you already. What kind of jobs we are giving, I told you already. How, what is a placement procedure, I explain it, right? We will take an internal interview. We will prepare your resumes. We have a Canva Pro subscription. So we have everything. So we give you good templates and we'll prepare your resumes. So experienced candidates, I will take care of it. For freshers, my team will be taking care of it. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about it. And the course duration is 1 hour per day. And this batch will start at evening. So May 19th onwards, Monday onwards, the new batch will start. Okay. So CCNA will start at evening 7 p.m. So once the CCNA is completed, I will allow you to do Juniper, JNCIA. And then parallelly after that, only Juniper classes will conduct on Sundays. Guys, I'm telling you, the classes are Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I won't take any classes. But after 2 weeks, I will take Saturday, Sunday classes for Juniper. Juniper will complete it within 12 hours. It's easy. Okay. Okay, and Palo Alto it will take 25 days again. Okay, this is completely 2 months of training. Okay, yeah, people are getting job before joining Palo Alto course as well. Okay, yeah, but it doesn't mean you don't want to take Palo Alto. No, you should have a skill. See, guys, you have to invest on your skills. Okay, so why people are joining in Tamil Nadu BTech for BTech? We have a good college in Andhra Pradesh also, right? Why they're traveling? Because for good education, if you are feeling like, if anyone is explaining, if anyone is providing a good subject to you, not only my companies, everywhere, other institutions also, if they are providing a good knowledge to you at a packet level or anything, please join there. Okay, so learn the skills. Skill does matter here. If you have skills, you will achieve whatever you want to achieve. Okay, this is what I would like to convey. If anyone having any questions now, please unmute. One by one you can talk. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Hello, sir. My name is Sriram.
Yeah, Sriram.
So I recently joined. Yeah, I recently joined in a CCNA. During that time, I were not know about you that you were giving this kind of classes.
Okay.
So I finished the course with him already, but still I was looking for this some real time experiences. I was trying to contact your team,
Okay.
but they were saying that like for real time experience online is not possible. So,
No,
but
no, no, no,
still
no.
want to check
So
with you.
not real time experience, real time projects. Okay, real time
Like I mean,
projects.
yeah.
So
So like
yeah, I'll explain, Sairam. So the thing is, we don't know at what level you learn there, right? Packet level.
yeah.
I guarantee that if you know the packet level, it's good. Are you do you
And
know?
also, I want to know what is packet level. I
That
was
is
not
what. See,
getting.
you don't know what do you mean by packet level. Then you join the CCNA course here first. Okay. Then I will take you online separately for real time projects. Okay. So for outside people, right? Whoever is not enrolled CCNA, I don't know about them at what level they are. People who are, so why I mention offline means that offline is for outside people. If outside people trying to join a real time projects, we only giving training them offline. For whoever is already completed CCNA, right, we'll train them offline and online as well. Okay, because maximum I'm trying to I'm trying to call them as offline also. But there are some candidates who are sitting outside the country, right? For
Yeah,
them,
even I was
yeah,
outside the
yeah, yeah.
country.
For them, I'm taking a special classes. We have a recorded sessions, real time projects. We will take care of it for that. Okay, but you are
So okay,
contacting only for real time projects. Real time project is only, it is process related, not technical related. Technical related only, but technically we already we teach lot of things at during CCNA only. Okay, so yeah,
okay.
yeah. If you
So
complete, yeah.
initially, I have to complete the CCNA with you, and then after I have to go for
Yes, yes,
the.
yes, yes. Because you don't know packet level, right? If you can't understand at packet level, doesn't make to enroll real time project. It will be blank for you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So how long it gonna be take to finish the CCNA?
25 days, 20 working days, or two, like 2 days after,
Oh,
yeah, like that. 25 working days, you can say. Maximum 21 working days. Yeah.
And CCNA is different course, and like Jennifer is also like and
Yeah.
separate enrollment, right?
Yes. No, no, no. Enrollment is one second. Balaji, please go on mute.
Ah, hi, sir.
Please
I
go
will
on
speak
mute.
in Telugu.
Okay. Yeah. So Sairam,
Yeah.
so the internship is combination of CCNA, Juniper, and Palo Alto. If you take internship, everything will be covered.
Okay.
And if you and you'll get some discount also in internship. Okay, you can contact my team. Okay. Yeah, for that.
So how long the internship program it gonna
Two
be take?
months, 2 months, 2 months. So if you want to
Okay.
join real-time
So
project, yeah, if you want to join real-time project, just complete CCNA. That's it. You're eligible to join real-time project. Yeah.
so even if like if I join in the internship program, so I'll be
Yeah.
learning from the uh,
Yeah.
deep knowledge for the Palo Alto security firewall configuration alone,
Yes, everything,
or the
everything.
basic level.
No, 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 no. This is industrial training, right? We give you everything at packet level.
Okay.
Yeah. So for you have any such queries after completion of CCN and Juniper after 1 month, we will take a one more demo for Palo Alto. Demo is for not
I
joining
mean
the
like
courses. Yeah. To explain the
I
correct
mean
things.
like CCN and the Jennifer is in the combination, or like it's gonna be like different
Combination.
classes.
It's a okay. So first I'm telling you, right? Monday to Friday
Okay.
only we will teach you CCNA. Okay.
Okay.
That is for two
Okay.
weeks. After 2 weeks, Monday to Friday, as usual, CCNA classes are going on, but only
Okay.
weekends I'll teach Juniper after third week
Okay.
onwards. So within 1 month, you will complete CCNA and Juniper. Understood?
Okay. Understand. Understand. And what times those classes gonna be?
Yeah,
Starts like
7 p.m. to
I'm
8
in
p.m.
the
So it will be AM for you, 7:30 a.m. You
so
CST, CST. In IST, it
yes.
is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Yeah,
Okay. 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 Thank you. That's all I have doubts.
yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
How to enroll? That's the process. You can contact my team. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Definitely. Thank you.
Yeah,
Uh, is it
Hi, sir.
same? Hello.
yeah.
Hello.
Huh.
Shravan, one
The,
second,
yeah,
Shravan. 1 second, Shravan.
yeah.
Let me talk to Balaji. Shravan, 1 second. Let me talk to Balaji. Yeah, Balaji, tell me.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Balaji.
సార్ ఐ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను బీటెక్ 2022లో కంప్లీట్ చేశాను సార్.
Okay,
అయితే ఇప్పుడు నేను నాన్ ఐటీ చేస్తున్నాను.
okay.
అయితే ఇప్పుడు నెట్వర్కింగ్ ఇంజనీర్ నేర్చుకుని
Hmm.
సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గెయిన్ చేసుకుని ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లెవెల్లో వెళ్దామని ట్రై చేస్తున్నా సార్. ఈ
Yeah,
నెట్వర్కింగ్ కోచింగ్
మేము అదే
తీసుకుని.
మేము అదే ఇచ్చేది. నాన్ ఐటీని నెట్వర్కింగ్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకు అని అంటే
నా నా-
ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో నెట్వర్కింగ్ టీం ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ నువ్వు చేసే కంపెనీలో కూడా. అవునా? సో మీకు
అవునవును.
మీకు రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇచ్చి మూవ్ చేస్తాం. మరి డెసిగ్నేషన్
అంటే
అంటే
ఇప్పుడు
డెసిగ్నేషన్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్.
అవునవును.
ఓకేనా? యా.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు సిసిఎన్పి నేర్చుకున్నాక ఈ జూనిపర్ పొలాలటోకి వెళ్ళాలా సార్? ఎట్లా మీరు
మీకు
సిసిఎన్ఏ తర్వాత డైరెక్ట్
బ్రదర్
జూనిపర్ అంటున్నారు కదా?
ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను మీకు. TCNP మీకు అవసరం లేదు నాన్ టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళకి. లర్న్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్. ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో CCNA, జునిపర్, పాలో ఆల్టో 1 by 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 1 by 1.
ఏది ఇంటర్న్షిప్
యా,
ఇస్తారా సార్ మాకు?
ఎస్. ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అంటే కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ 3 కోర్సెస్.
ఓకే. సిసిఎన్పి,
నో, నో, నో,
జూనిపర్.
నో, నో. CCNP లేదు బ్రదర్. జునిపర్ అండ్ పాలో ఆల్టో. CCNA, జునిపర్, పాలో
జూనిపర్.
ఆల్టో. యా, ఈ మూడు కలిపి ఇంటర్న్షిప్.
ఓకే. ఈ సిసిఎన్ఏ అనేది అసలు అక్కర్లేదు.
CC అనేది అక్కర్లేదా? మీకు అక్కర్లేదా?
అదే అన్న నేను అడిగేది. మీరు ఇది అక్కర్లేదు అన్న అంటున్నారు కదా?
అసలు భయ ఇది ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చేదే CCNA మీద. అది అక్కర్లేదు ఏంటి? నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు.
అదే అన్న ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్
CCNP
స్టార్టింగ్ మేము నేర్చు
నేనేం
ఆ,
చెప్పాను అంటే CCNP ప్రొఫెషనల్ లెవెల్ అక్కర్లేదు.
ఓకే.
CCNA అసోసియేట్ లెవెల్, సిస్కో, CCNA,
ఓకే.
జునిపర్, JNCIA, పాలాల్టో, PCNSE, ఈ మూడు కలిపి
మనకి
ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అంటారు.
సిసిఎన్ఏ జెనిఫర్ పాలల్తో
భయ్యా ఒక
మూడు
నిమిషం
కలిపి
ఆగు. నీ సైడ్, నీ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చాలా హెవీ నాయిస్ వస్తుంది. కొంచెం మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టి నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను నీకు క్వశ్చన్, నీకు కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్. ప్లీజ్ పుట్ ఆన్ మ్యూట్. ఇప్పుడు నా స్క్రీన్ చూడు నువ్వు. నా స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా నీకు? సో ఇక్కడ ఈ స్క్రీన్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది కదా? యా
ఆ,
మ్యూట్లో పెట్టు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. మ్యూట్లో పెట్టు. ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ సిసిఎన్ఏ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ సిసిఎన్ఏ, ఇది సిసిఎన్ఏ సిలబస్. ఈ సిసిఎన్ఏ కోర్సు, ఆ తర్వాత ఇక్కడ పక్కన జునిపర్ కోర్సు, ఇది దాని పక్కన పాలాల్టో, ఈ 3 ఈ 3 కోర్సెస్ కలిపి ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అంటారు. ఆ ఇంటర్న్షిప్‌లో ఈ 3 కోర్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ సీసీఎన్‌పీ అనేది అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్. అది మీకు అవసరం లేదు. ఓన్లీ టెక్నికల్‌గా ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్‌గా ఎవరైతుందో వాళ్ళకి. అర్థమైందా? నౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
క్లియర్ అన్న.
ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు మ్యూట్‌లోకెళ్ళండి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు 2 ఇయర్స్ ఎంతో ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ ఉంది నాన్ టెక్నికల్‌లో. మేము ఇవి అన్ని ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ సీసీఎన్ఏ చెప్తాం. సీసీఎన్ఏ చెప్పిన తర్వాత 2 వీక్స్ తర్వాత జునిపర్ క్లాసెస్ సాటర్‌డే, సండే మాత్రమే చెప్తాం. సో సీసీఎన్ఏ క్లాసెస్ వచ్చేసి ఓన్లీ మండే టు ఫ్రైడే. జునిపర్ వచ్చేసి ఓన్లీ వీకెండ్సే, సాటర్‌డే, సండేస్. అట్లా 2 సాటర్‌డేస్, 2 సండేస్‌లో అయిపోతది. ఓకే. ఈ 1 మంత్‌లో సీసీఎన్ఏ, జునిపర్ అయిపోతది. ఓకే. ఆ తర్వాత పాలాల్టో జరుగుతుంది. ఈ సీసీఎన్ఏ, జునిపర్ అయిపోగానే మీకు జాబ్‌కి అప్లై చేయడానికి మేము రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్‌లో జాయిన్ చేపిచ్చి మిమ్మల్ని ట్రైన్ చేస్తాం ఇప్పటి నుంచే. పాలాల్టో జరుగుతుంటది. నువ్వు జాబ్‌కి అప్లై చేస్తూనే ఉంటావు. అట్లా. అది ప్రాసెస్. అండర్‌స్టూడ్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ హావ్ ఎనీ క్వెషన్స్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్.
అండర్స్టాండ్. కానీ అంటే నేను నాకు తెలిసింది ఏంటంటే మనం CCNP కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి అన్నట్టు అన్నారన్న
నీకు
మాకు కొద్దిగా
నీకు
మాకు
అదే
తెలిసిన వాళ్ళ.
నీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళేందంటే భయ్యా, నువ్వు మ్యూట్‌లోకెళ్ళు చెప్తా.
ఆ,
మ్యాటర్ ఏందంటే అంత సగం సగం తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు. నేను సిస్కో కంపెనీలోనే వర్క్ చేసినోడిని చెప్తున్నా నేను నీకు. ఓకే. ఏంటి ఈ సీసీఎన్ఏనే నేను సీసీఐ లెవెల్‌లో చెప్తున్నా. సో సర్టిఫికేషన్ లెవెల్స్ ఎన్నుంటాయి? సీసీఎన్ఏ, ఎన్ఏ తర్వాత ఎన్‌పి, ఎన్‌పి తర్వాత ఐఈ ఎక్స్‌పర్ట్. నేను సీసీఎన్ఏనే సీసీఐ లెవెల్‌లో ఎక్స్‌పర్ట్ లెవెల్‌లో ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. ఒక్కొక్కటి ల్యాబ్ ఇచ్చి. మరి నీకు ఇంకా సీసీఎన్‌పి ఎందుకు? సో ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళకి కూడా వాళ్ళు చెప్పే దాంట్లో కూడా అర్థం ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే బయట నీకు అంతా పైపైన చెప్తారు కాబట్టి సీసీఎన్‌పి కావాలా. ఇక్కడ నేను చాలా డెప్త్‌గా చెప్తా కాబట్టి నీకు సీసీఎన్‌పి అవసరం లేదు. అట్లా. సీసీఎన్‌పిలో వచ్చే ప్రోటోకాల్స్ కాకుండా ఇప్పుడు చూడు, సపోజ్ బీజీపీ అనే ప్రోటోకాల్ ఉంది. అది నీకు సీసీఎన్ఏలో రాదు. అయినా నేను చెప్పట్లేదా? సీసీఎన్‌పి సిలబస్ చెప్తున్నా కదా! ఓకే. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి ఓఎస్పీఎఫ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. అది పైపైనే చెప్తారు. కానీ నేను సీసీఎన్‌పి, సీసీఐ లెవెల్‌లో మొత్తం చెప్తా ఒకే ప్రోటోకాల్‌ని. ఒక్కొక్క లెవెల్‌లో సిలబస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాడనమాట. లైక్ సీసీఎన్ఏలో కొంచెం అదే టాపిక్‌ని సీసీఎన్‌పిలో ఇంకొంచెం పెద్దగా పెంచుతాడు. నేనేమంటున్నాను, సీసీఎన్ఏలోనే ఓవరాల్‌గా గట్టిగా చెప్తాను అని అంటున్నాను. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్‌స్టూడ్. లేదు అయినా కూడా నువ్వు సీసీఎన్‌పి తీసుకుంటా అంటే తీసుకో. నాకే లాభం. నీ ఇష్టం. నేనేంటంటే ఎవరికి ఏది కావాలనో అది ట్రాన్స్‌పరెంట్‌గా చెప్తా. ఓకే. సో అది సీసీఎన్ఏనే చాలా గట్టిగా చెప్తా సబ్జెక్టు. అది చాలు. తర్వాత జునిపర్ చేసి సర్టిఫికేషన్ చేయండి. ఆ తర్వాత పాలాల్టో సెక్యూరిటీ నేర్చుకోండి. వెల్ అండ్ గుడ్. ఓకే. యాహ్!
ఓకే ఓకే అన్న. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఇది మనకి ఎంత టైం పీరియడ్ లో కవర్ కవర్ చేస్తామన్నా మనం?
అందరికీ నేను చెప్తూనే ఉన్నాను. 2 మంత్స్ పడతది బ్రదర్. ఇప్పటికి ఇది థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్ టైమ్ చెప్తున్నాను. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. 2 మంత్స్, 2 మంత్స్ పడుతుంది. ఓకే.
2 మంత్స్ పడుతుంది.
యాహ్!
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ ప్రాక్టికల్ లెవెల్లోనే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తామా ఎట్లా?
ప్రాక్టికల్‌గానే చేస్తాం బ్రదర్.
ప్రాక్టికల్ గానే చేస్తాము.
సో నువ్వు మ్యూట్‌లో వెళ్ళి ఇంకోటి చెప్తా. సో ప్రాక్టికల్‌గా అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రోటోకాల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేశారనేది మనం DNS3 అనే దాంట్లో రియల్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంటదా? ఆ డివైస్ రౌటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి గదా! ఆ రౌటర్స్‌లో ఉండే ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ రియల్‌గా మనం GNS3లో ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేసుకొని చేస్తాం. లేదు నేను ఇంకా లైవ్ డివైసెస్‌లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే నువ్వు కూకట్పల్లి బ్రాంచ్‌కొచ్చి లైవ్ డివైసెస్‌లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. అది. సో లైవ్ డివైసెస్‌లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకున్నా నీకు సేమ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమే నీ నీ మేము ల్యాబ్ సెటప్ చేస్తాం. మీ కంప్యూటర్‌లోనే ల్యాబ్ సెటప్ చేస్తాం. మినిమమ్ 8 జీబీ ర్యామ్ ఉండాలి. 8 జీబీ ర్యామ్ ఉంటే ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. ఓకే. సో ఒకటి 2 ల్యాబ్‌లేమో మీరు ఆఫీస్‌కొచ్చి చేసుకోవచ్చు. రిమైనింగ్ అన్నీ ఇంటికాడ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదా అన్నీ ఆఫీస్‌కొచ్చి చేసుకుంటా అంటే కూడా మీ ఇష్టం. ఎవరైతే ఆఫీస్‌కి రాలేని వాళ్ళున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఒక రియల్ టైమ్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లోజర్ ఇస్తాను. సో ఏదో ఒక రోజు వీకెండ్‌లో హైదరాబాద్‌కొచ్చి ఎక్కడో చోట స్టే చేసి మీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఒక 2 డేస్ ఉండి ఆఫీస్‌లో అన్నీ తెలుసుకొని పోవచ్చు మీరు. ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ గైస్ హౌ యూ వాంట్. బట్ మేము బోత్ ఇస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. ఓకే.
ఓకే ఓకే అన్న. అన్న ఇది ఇప్పుడు మార్నింగ్ క్లాసెస్ పెట్టనీకి అవుతా అన్న?
మీరు మా టీమ్‌ని అడగండి ఇంకా. ఓకే. సో మార్నింగ్
ఓకే, అది
క్లాసెస్
మీ టీం
స్టార్ట్.
అడగాల?
మా టీమ్‌ని అడగండి వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు మీకు. ఓకే.
ఓకే ఓకే అన్న.
యాహ్! ఎందుకంటే భయ్ మీరు ఎక్కడున్నారో నాకు తెలియదు కానీ వెరీ వెరీ
నాయిస్
బ్యాడ్ నాయిస్
వస్తున్నానా?
హెవీగా మామూలు కూడా కాదు చెవులు
ఓకే.
పోతున్నాయి నాకు. ప్లీజ్ గో ఆన్ మ్యూట్.
నేను నేను పార్క్ లోనే ఉన్నాను.
అవునవునా? సో, మేబీ మీరు ఉయ్యాల దగ్గర ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. ఐ డోంట్ నో. ఉయ్యాల ఊగుతూ మాట్లాడుతున్నారో లేకుంటే పక్కన ఉన్నారో నాకు తెలీదు గానీ హెవీ సౌండ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఎనీహౌ సో, మంత్లీ 2 బ్యాచెస్ ఉంటాయి. మార్నింగ్ 7 ఏఎం బ్యాచ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈవినింగ్ 7 పీఎం బ్యాచ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. మార్నింగ్ 7 ఏఎం బ్యాచ్ ఇప్పుడు లేదండి. ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది 7 పీఎం బ్యాచ్. మీకు టైం సెట్ అవుతుందనుకుంటే దయచేసి మా టీమ్‌ని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. లేదు మీకు మార్నింగ్ బ్యాచ్ కావాలనుకుంటే యూ నీడ్ టు వెయిట్ ఫర్ 1 మోర్ మంత్. ఓకే. యాహ్! ఇంకా ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా క్వెషన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? సో, ఓకే. ఫైన్. ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఆల్ యువర్ క్వెషన్స్. ఐ విల్ స్టాప్ రికార్డింగ్ నౌ. ఓకే. మీ క్వెషన్స్ అన్ని పర్సనల్‌గా నేను తీసుకుంటాను. రికార్డ్ చేసి పబ్లిక్‌లో పెడతాం కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు. ఓకేనా? యాహ్! థాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.